Dear children, are you excited to become UP class students? Are you happy now? I think all are well and safe there. I am also happy and safe here. I am Vijisha, your basic science teacher. I know that it is not familiar to you, am I right? But you are familiar with EVS, that is Environmental Science. From the 5th standard onwards, you have to study basic science and social science. That means EVS splits into two, and I am your basic science teacher. Let it be there. First, let me tell you a story. Are you interested to hear a story? Yeah, I know. It will be interesting. It is a story of a teacher, or otherwise called a guru, and his 3 students, or called Shishyas. Do you ever heard of Gurukula system of education? That is, a student stayed with Guru and starts learning. At the end, they will give fees as Guru Dakshina. In this story, the students completed their learning and decided to give Dakshina to their teacher. But the Guru asked the students to collect a useless plant. To collect a plant without any use. Students went in search of plant without any use. At last, at night, they came with bare hands. They cannot find it. They all feeling sad. But Guru told them happily, "This knowledge is the dakshina for me, because you are now aware that every plant in the world is useful to us." Dear children, this is the chapter that we have to learn. Together from today onwards, the title of the chapter is Know the Plant World Closely. Let's observe your surroundings. You can see different types of plants around your house. Which are they? Tell me, which are they? You may say coconut. You may say rubber. You may say papaya, etc. Am I right? Okay, now let's make a list. Make a list. This is your first activity. You can check the worksheet. The first activity is a 2-column table in which the first column is the name of the plant and second column its use. And one has been done for you as example in the worksheet. So complete it. Okay. Now let's observe our kitchen. What is your breakfast today? Tell me, what is your breakfast today? It may be dosha with kadla curry. It's also called the Bengal gram. Okay. It may be idli with sambar. It may be rice cake and banana, etc. Which are the components that are made up of these breakfast items? Can you tabulate this? Okay. Activity 2 in the worksheet will be helpful to you. It's a 3-column table. One has been done for you. That is dosha with the kadala curry. What are the components of dosha? It is made up of rice and black gram, isn't it? Then the kadala curry made up of Bengal gram. Am I right? Then the third column. Rice is obtained from paddy plants. Black gram from black gram plant and Bengal gram from Bengal gram plant. Okay, it will be easy to, am I right? So you have to complete the table by a minimum of 5 dishes. Okay. Then the next point is that these plants are only used as food. Only as food? No. What are the other uses? Let's check it out. Isn't it? Okay. Have you heard about tulasi? Is it used as a food? Is it a food item? No. Yeah, you said it. It is used as a medicine. Okay. Now let's make our next activity is also a table having two columns. Use of the plant as first column and the examples on the second column. Example is given in worksheet activity number 3. Use of plants may vary as edible plants, ornamental plants, spices, medicinal plants, etc. And the next column having its examples. That is, edible plants are all including all vegetables, like that. Okay, so you may complete the table. Okay. Then you may notice that there are different types of vegetables that we bought from markets. The edible parts of these vegetables may also vary. Some of them are used leaves, like in spinach. Other times we are also called as cheera. Some of them are fruits, like lady's finger, tomato, etc. Some of them are seeds, like the paddy. Some of them are stem, isn't it? Now it is the last and final activity. That is activity number 4. You should have to list out the vegetables in one column and its edible parts in the second column. So check the activity number 4 in the worksheet. Okay, now our class is over. So let me conclude. We learned today from the story that all the plants are useful, isn't it? Okay, next, that second point is some of the plants from your surroundings. You can list out them, isn't it? You can list the surrounding plants and its use. The next, thirdly, the different components found in our food. Plants are mainly used as food. The different use of plants and the examples for it. Different vegetables and its edible parts. Okay. My dear children, complete the worksheet fully by including as many as plants that you know. Okay. See you again in the next class. See you. Bye.